Hello everyone, welcome back to Vickie's Country Home. It's Christmas time is coming, and I don't say that because I'm going to go shopping, because I'm not planning on it. What I do plan on doing is making a lot of gifts. Now, last year I made Grand Marnier and it turned out really good. I'll leave a link to that if you'd like to check out that video. So I decided I needed to make another video like that for this year. And what I decided on is Amaretto. I love a little bit of Amaretto. It's really good in a coffee drink. It's got that wonderful almond flavor. It just is really nice and warming. So I decided I was going to make that, and I found a recipe on the McCormick's website. And this is so simple, guys. This really is so simple. There's a total of 5 ingredients, and you mix them up, heat some of them, pour the rest in. It's that simple. So today we're going to make Amaretto, and let's get started on this. Okay, it really, this almost isn't even a recipe, but we're going to take a medium saucepan. And we're going to take 1.5 cups of firmly packed brown sugar. And we're going to just kind of dump of that in there. And then we're going to take 1 cup of water. I'm using distilled. I would recommend filtered or purified, something like that. I had distilled and decided to do it. So now we're just going to kind of stir those together. And now we're going to cook this and stir it until it's completely dissolved. So I'll bring you back in just a few minutes after this is dissolved. Alright, that literally took 2 or 3 minutes. All I did was put this over low to medium heat and just heated it and stirred it long enough for the brown sugar to get completely dissolved. So now we're ready, and I've let it cool off some. I don't want to put the rest of the ingredients in while this is hot. So I'm just going to put this in this beautiful little measuring bowl that my friend Mary at Mary's Nest so graciously sent to me. It is so beautiful, and she had already sent me a matching sugar shaker that had this same design, and I just love these things. So thank you, Mary. I really appreciate it, and it already has been used. It's going to be used more. So I've got a spoon in there just in case this is a little warm. The spoon will help temper the heat. So I'm just going to pour that brown sugar and water into the little measuring bowl. And I'm going to set that aside. And now I'm going to take this spoon out because I'd rather not use the metal one for this. So it's just beautiful, this dark brown. Okay, now again, this is cooled off. It's not hot at all, just a slight warm, but that's okay. The next thing we're going to add is 1.5 cups of vodka. You can use any type you want. This is one, it's mid-range. It's not really expensive. It's not something I use very often, so I don't want to spend a lot on it. And now we're going to add in 1 whole bottle of pure almond extract. And of course this is McCormick's because this is their recipe. Now this is a 2-ounce bottle, and that's what was shown in the recipe. It didn't say 2 ounces, it just said 1 bottle. And this is the only one I saw at my grocery. I think they might make a smaller one, but I'm going to use the 2 ounces. So I'm going to just stir in 1 whole 2-ounce bottle of the almond extract. Move that out of the way. And there's just one more ingredient. And I've been asked to report back on how this came out anyway, so we're going to use it. I'm going to use some of the homemade vanilla made with bourbon. And there's a video on that one if you'd like to check it out. I've already tasted this vanilla, and it's been just barely over 4 weeks. But I'm going to tell you, it already has a wonderful vanilla taste. So I'm going to spoon out 2 teaspoons of this. Spilled it on my hand. Oh, it tastes good. Okay. So now, like I said, this is just almost too easy. So just stir this together well. And I'm going to give this a quick taste to see if I want to do anything else to it. Oh wow, that's Amaretto. That is just so nice. Now, can I tell you if there's a cost savings on it? Nope, because I really haven't looked. So we're not gonna claim any of that. We're just gonna do this because it's made from the heart. So now what I'm gonna do is I have a Weck glass bottle. It's actually a canning bottle. They're Weck canning jars, and I love them. I like the way they look. And you just clamp the lid with the gasket on. But I never can in them. I usually just use them for storage things. So let me change the camera angle so you can see a little better, and then we will get this in the bottle. All right, we're gonna get this poured in here, and I have a funnel because I'll probably make a mess. It's just the way things go. Let's see if I can get a better angle for you. Let me lift it up just a bit. That's better. Okay, now I'm just going to carefully pour that in the funnel. And I knew I would make a mess here. Let's see if I can do it without. See if that works any better. Yeah, I'm just spilling a little bit this way. Okay, I got most of it in the bottle. And just wipe my mess up a little bit here. But there we go. Isn't that beautiful? Now I'm just going to put the lid on. and we have some tasty Amaretto made in your own kitchen. And you can give this as a gift. You can use this to make holiday drinks. But whatever you do, this comes from the heart, and so enjoy and share that joy with others. And I just want to thank you for coming along with this. I want to say Merry Christmas. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe and share. Hit the notification bell because I'm going to be having more Christmas ideas coming up. God bless, and we'll talk again soon.